I don't know, do you need like artistic, cinematic, slow-mo shots of everything I'm carrying? Maybe not.
I'm getting ready and I'm worried it's going to be rough. I'm worried it's going to feel like a long time. I feel prepared, but are we ever truly ready? Awe, courage, and a dash of magic. I'm Anita, and this is my journey to the heart of the mountain. 2 years ago, my heart yearned for adventure, and so I embarked on the Chagoria route, a pathway that winds through nature's embrace. For 4 unforgettable days, I allowed the mountain's whispers to guide me, revealing the beauty and strength that lie within. Before this grand ascent, I had reveled in the tranquil beauty of Mount Kenya's lakes, letting my soul be nourished by their great, gentle presence. But deep within me, a longing stirred, a desire to conquer the highest peak and embrace the world from its pinnacle. As late October's golden hues painted the sky, I found solace in the strength of the porters, who shouldered my burdens with care. By a shared dream, to conquer the mountains and bask in the euphoria of triumph. As we ascended, Mount Kenya whispered tales of challenge and beauty. Altitude sickness brushed against our spirits, testing our resilience. But with unwavering support, we lifted each other higher, breathing life into the dreams that carried us forward. The eve of the summit wrapped us in frosty embrace, but the warmth of our spirits burned brighter with each delicious creation conjured by the cooks. Their nourishing meals became more than sustenance. They fed our souls, igniting a fire that fueled our journey with love and unity. Guided by 2 wise souls and supported by 4 strong porters, my fear of getting lost began to dissolve. Yet, as I stood on the precipice of the summit, doubt clung to my heart. But fear not, for descending from the peak, 2 kindred souls appeared, offering guidance and solace. I literally thought I got lost. I was crying on the mountain, right on the path, and people walked up and they were like, "Why are you crying?" And I said, "Because I'm lost." And they said, "You're not lost, just follow the path." I continued my ascent, tracing their path that beaconed me forward.
The snow! Any smart things? I'm not European enough for this. Oh shoot.
Atop Point Lenana, I gazed upon the world below, my heart ablaze with the magic of triumph and whispers of my own strength. My dears, let the journey serve as a testament of the heights you can reach and the dreams you can bring to life. Through my lens, I captured the spirit of Mount Kenya, the lakes, the streams, the verdant flora, painting a tapestry of awe and inspiration. May the yearning for adventure forever stir within your souls, and may the mountains continue to whisper their stories of resilience and joy in your dreams. Until we meet again, my darlings, let your hearts be filled with the magic of exploration.